we select the base, we select the bottle, fill the level, and the border tool. Okay. I use hypercam and it's quite buggy for me. Now we select this fill box, get some snacks, and we put how many we want. Let's say so. Select the infotrons. Now you select how many we want, how many objects you want in a level. If you have more objects, you get an complex level, and another one too. Okay. Oh, I forgot to say that I don't use any level editor, as you saw. Sorry about my English. I'm not an English man, guy. I'm Romanian. Oh yeah. Now we just add how many objects we want in our level, not how they gonna stay, because we want a random level. Yeah, you could put the objects manually, but that wasn't a real random level. It's very easy, but it's quite tricky too. Now we have the number of the objects, we have the base. Let's add some space. Okay. Oh, that's enough. We go to level, all sprites, shuffle. When you press shuffle, all the sprites from the level are shuffled around the level map. Okay, let's say we have a bigger density of the objects. I mean, there's no distance between the objects, and what we do, we hold on Shift Control U, and we set up start series to sound the okay. Here you can use this technique to after you do this, add a Morphe everywhere you want.